What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
Okay, JPY, I sent this chart yesterday. Actually got an entry from here. If you don't know how I entered, just go over the 2.0 course and you will see. Of course, new videos will be added also to the courses, but there is literally everything you need to be profitable already. So I had this key area, and also I had this key area because this higher area failed. So basically we broke it, even by few pips, even with just a wick. To me, that's still a failure of an area. And therefore, I was looking for buys, because we failed the area means that this area didn't hold, and that we will create, possibly we will continue bullish. Therefore, I found my demand area, which was this one. If you want, the demand area is also at discount. And I was looking for buys here. Buy confirmations was pretty easy compared to other times where it's a little bit more confusing. Here we just had a clear break of structure and change of direction. And that's all. And here I entered basically. Now, personally on this trade, since it was during, I had to hold it during night, I put my stop loss below the area. It's about 30 pips. I usually don't like executing trades with this much stop loss, but this is what I had to do. Otherwise, with this type of confirmation, I can just put it below the low right here, just here. Okay. And this is the trade that it's still running. I have my stop loss at entry. Next pair, NZD JPY. And by the way, many people could be the first time that we are connecting. Just make sure you can ask me any question. This is your time to actually ask me some questions. The questions that I mean are about the strategy, are about trading, and this is not about, hey man, please look at, I don't know, JPY. That's not the type of question that I'm expecting. Okay. NZD-JPY, after breaking down here with this nice move to the downside, I would say that overall we're bearish on the 1 hour, and I will just look for sells from up here. I will put an alert, and this is what I'm looking for. Lower time frames confirmation needed down here. Otherwise, we will target the area above, which is this one, and we will see what happens here. But for now, I'm interested in this one. You trade the 1 hour, 4 hours and 1 hour, but 1 hour mainly. And then I go down to lower time frames. What's your method when you want to enter? Please check the 2.0 course. There's everything. Bigger stop loss on CAD-JPY was because of spring not formed. No, I just said why. The reason why I put it below the area was because I had to hold the trade overnight. It's not something that I really like. So I just played it safer. Okay, we have one good question about NZD-JPY, and they are asking me if the price moves to the higher point of interest, so this one, isn't the price actually turning bullish because market structure is turning bullish? Yes, that's true. But at the same time, this is a good area. So to me, good areas can still be traded. I prefer if they are together with the trend. That's why I prefer this area if it holds. What is the indicator of the yellow, green, red line above the candle? It's for the sessions, and I teach it on the course, and you have access to the course, so please take a look. When will the new content be available? The 2.0 course is already available. I already sent it out. People can already have access. The only new content that is missing is the backtesting file, and it will be ready in about a couple of weeks. These are not flags. These are just session indicators. They just tell me in which session we are in. Yellow one is London session. This one is New York session, and this is the closing of London. That's all. What are the key points to draw Fibonacci retracement? Please go over the course. Fibonacci retracement is already explained in the course. How do I start my the day? This is a good question. I might actually make a YouTube video about it. How do I start my day? I usually wake up, just meditate, have breakfast, usually read a book for about 30 minutes, and then I get on charts overall. But of course, it can change a little bit. All right, let's continue actually. EURUSD. EURUSD missed these entries from here below. Right now, I'm not really interested in entering any trade. I see it pretty messy. As you can see, this is a huge consolidation, just going sideways a lot. GBPUSD. GBPUSD missed this very nice area right here. You will understand why I'm looking at certain areas and not at certain other areas once I will share with you the backtesting file. it's not something that you need because you can be profitable. There is people passing FTMO and getting great results with the stuff that there is already. But what I'm saying is that the backtesting file will really show you the best areas to trade from. Right now, this area is not valid anymore. I marked that area during the weekend. Now I will just look at this area down here, but GBPUSD is not really something I'm super interested in right now. As indicated, we failed the area, and therefore could have been a good idea to actually look for sales from supply. As you know, demand fails, supply is created, and vice versa. So when supply fails, demand is created, just like CAD-JPY, where we had supply failing and demand being created. Here was the opposite. Demand fails, supply is created, okay? But of course, as you know, we didn't enter this one, and I didn't enter it. I'm just showing you. JPCAD, we were at this very nice area, and right now I will be looking for buys from here. This doesn't mean that buys will actually play out. I'm just going to look for them. And if I have some good confirmation, I will take the trade. Otherwise, no. Now, why? This is a very good area. This is a very good demand area right here. And we broke structure to the upside. Now, why I don't like it 100%? I don't like it 100% because we just respected this huge and very important supply area, and we just could easily create a new lower low. Of course, this depends. We don't know yet. We cannot predict what the market will do, but I will go on lower time frames here and look for confirmation on GBP-CAD. And this is actually one of the most interesting setups that I have today. So GBP-CAD really is in the watch list together with CAD-JPY, but CAD-JPY is still running and I have my take profit higher.